Hello, Amazon sellers. Welcome back to Ibiza Solutions. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of your product listings: how to change shipping charges on Amazon Seller Central. This video is your guide to seamless shipping charge updates. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, let's log into the powerhouse of your Amazon operations, Seller Central. Head over to the A Settings tab and select Shipping Settings. This is where the shipping magic happens. Select the shipping template you want to adjust. Now, click Edits next to the shipping service you want to modify. You can adjust rates based on location, weight, or other parameters. Take a moment to review your changes. Once you're satisfied, hit Save Changes, and voila! Your new shipping charges are in effect. And there you have it, sellers. Changing shipping charges on Amazon Seller Central is a strategic move to ensure your business stays agile and customer-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow sellers, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time, may your shipping be seamless and your customers delighted. Happy selling!